Hi, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel Forward Zone. Today I'm going to teach you how to use conditional formatting to highlight bottom 10% of the item. So in this example, you can look at column B. If you are going to know the order with the lowest quantity, which mark up 10% of the total order, you can click on column B, go to Home tab, go to Style, select conditional formatting, select top or bottom rows, and go to bottom 10%. So we have the total of 20 orders. So 10% of 20 orders, meaning there will be two items, which is the bottom 10% of the quantity. As you can see, Excel actually highlighted two orders here with three order quantity. Same also, you can choose any color that you like. And if you're going to change the percentage here, let's say you change it to 30%, 30% of 20 orders will be six items. So this bottom 30% of the total order will be six items. The six item with lowest quantity will be highlighted, as you can see here. Once you have done, you just click OK. And thank you. That is all from me. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.